To charge your OnePlus 13 with the wireless charger, first you need to open a settings on your phone and then scroll down looking for the battery. Enter it and then go for charging settings. Inside you can watch the wireless charging tutorial, but there's nothing valuable there. Anyway, I would recommend to put it on always right here to make sure that your phone will always charge when it's on the charger. Sorry for that. You can also go for a bedtime, which will make your device learn your sleep pattern so it can automatically switch to a lower charging rate when you go to bed. You can also set it to custom and change the time when the wireless charging will be available. So finally, when we have everything, I'm going to put it on always. We need to grab our charging wireless charger and make sure that it's connected to the power source. Then take your phone and place it on the charger. You can try to wiggle it around until it starts charging. Okay, so now as you can see right here on the battery, it started charging, and that is basically everything.